Morning traders, and this is your Dax day trade setup for today. So yesterday's measured move played out spot on. You can see we spoke about the break of this swing low here. There was our measured move, and that's pretty much what played out. We had the short to the downside, and then the buyer stepped in for a move to the upside. So I suspect that we are still in this range. Let me just delete a little bit of this noise. So we're still in this range. Oh, one of two things that can be happening right now is that this is a pullback. And just take it from the top here. So from this move here to the bottom, this is 61.8. You can see we're just hovering along there. And then what you would expect is a second move to the downside, okay, which is possible. I just suspect that the confusion is going to continue. So let's just step up one level just to see what's happening. You can see no real change in the oscillator, still grouping in the middle, moving averages are flat in the middle. There is no direction in this market, and I think pretty much what's happening is the same as on most markets at the moment, is total confusion. Okay, and we are in a triangle and is in a range as well. Okay, so for me today, looking at what we have, no real structure like we had here that we can see. The only thing that I can say is if we do break above this consolidation area, that is a triangle break, and then I would expect us to start tagging 11.7. What's that? 11.7. 11.719, 11.720 is pretty much what I would expect, which is pretty much the top of the range. So ideally what I want to see is this trend line break and a move to the upside. I can't really see it there. Just see if we can see. Just want to see if this head and shoulders is still in play. So pretty much still in play. We've got two shoulders, one head, and another shoulder here. So the rule for me still stands. I'm looking for a proper break above 11.860. 11.860 break, that would give me a move to the upside. If we look at the 4 hour, you can see we do have sort of a piercing pattern here, and then we have this engulfing green bar. So what we're looking for with any kind of break above here is going to move to the next level. Okay, and that's the next level that I have at the moment, which is 11. There's a gap here as well. 11.780 is pretty much, there's so much going on here. We could skip that and go all the way to the top as well. That's also possible. And if we do break the top, then you've got this gap close. And then I definitely expect some kind of consolidation. But that's a level I'm waiting to break. So until something happens, I'm still sitting on the sideline. So for me right now, the only structure I can see is a break. Let me just put it in. It's sort of a break of this area here. Okay, so we probably have to break through this fractal level here. There's no other fractal, so that's the level I'm looking for a break, which is 11.714, and then I'm looking for 11.780 as my target. Another way of just checking your target is going to be doing this. It'll be sort of that to the upside, and that measured move is 11.820, which pretty much does make a little bit of sense. Okay, so anyway guys, that's it for me. Just delete that so we can just get the summary. So if we do break through this trend line, it's a break of this consolidation, so it's rally, consolidation, rally, so I'll be looking for the second move. Alternatively, if we break to the downside below 11,682, I suspect we come back down to this diagonal trend line around, on the new day, it'll be around 11,602. Yeah, so it'll be around 11,600. So I do expect us to pull down. There is another level here, which is pretty much here, and you'll see that would line up with the diagonal as well. And if I look at the oscillators, that's the logical choice to make, is that you're looking for break below. So for a day trade setup for me today, if it's actually worth it, is to put in a trade here. So put in a trade at 11,680 with a stop at 11,720. Yeah, 11,720, 11,720. That's a 41-point trade, and you pretty much have 60 points on offer there. Okay, so it's a 1 to 1.5 trade, which is not too bad. Okay, anyway, guys, that's my view on this today. One of two ways, either down or up, and the break is obviously the break of these two fractal levels here. Okay, and if you do break the upside, obviously your stop is here. You break the downside, your stop is there. And I think the upside trade is probably a 40-point stop loss to 70, possibly 100, but you could probably take profit at a 2 to 1 trade. So once you've locked 80 points in, get out of the trade, and then you expect some more consolidation to happen. Okay, anyway, guys, that's the view that I have at the moment. Nothing really else. Hope it helps. And for me, anyway, that's the only real setup I can see right now. So that's what I'm going to start putting some of those trades in. I'll put a long in here and a short in here with a stop on either side. Whichever one gets triggered is the one that will be traded. Okay, anyway, guys, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.